Types of machine learning. Not all learning is the same. There are three main flavors of machine learning. Supervised learning. You give the computer labeled examples, inputs paired with correct outputs. It learns the mapping from input to output, like learning with an answer key. For example, predicting house prices from features like area and location, or classifying emails as spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning. No labels at all. The computer finds hidden patterns in the data by itself. It discovers structure without being told what to look for. Customer segmentation groups similar customers together. Anomaly detection spots unusual data points that don't fit the pattern. Reinforcement learning. The computer learns by trial and error. It takes actions, gets rewards or penalties, and learns which actions lead to the best outcomes. To summarize, supervised has labeled data. Unsupervised finds patterns without labels, and reinforcement learns from rewards. Most of this course focuses on supervised learning. 3 types, 1 goal, learn from data. Supervised learning will be our main focus.